Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be revealing my Boxycharm for the month of October. So let's get started. Alright, the theme for this month is After Dark. So we're going to have Dose of Colors in here, eyeshadow palette, Iconic London Prep Set Glow, Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, which I'll probably get to my niece, and Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, which I'll probably get to my niece. And also the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Eyeliner, which I'll keep for myself. So let's start with the Iconic Spray. Setting, I guess this is a setting spray, yeah. Not bad. That's what it looks like. Not bad at all. So then we had the Blushing Berries from Dose of Colors. I don't even have not a one of these until now. I just wasn't interested in them. And that's what it looks like. Oh, let's swatch one. Let's go here. Hold on. Alright. Let's try that again. Let's try this one. It's pigmented. Not bad. Not bad at all. This was like when they were sending out notices that this was going to be done, when all the channels were the beauty influencers were showing their boxes. I kept hoping this one, that I get this one, or the one that has blue in it, because I'm not a real I'm not a real fan of their of this here Dose of Colors Blushing Berries and stuff, but I wanted to try it since it's going to be in a box. Alright, so we have Iconic London lip gloss. Oh, is this a lipstick? Let's soon find out. Hey, that matches that, doesn't it? Look how it looks. Way to go. Alright, so here's the eyeliner pencil. I'm not going to swatch it. That's what it looks like. So very grateful to get that. And then last but not least, the Mellow. And this is, oh, what is this? I just said it not too long ago. I can't believe I forgot it just that fast. Oh, the brow gel. So I'm not gonna open this either. I'm gonna give this to my niece, I do believe. So let's see. All that comes out, the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, $32. The Iconic London Prep Set Glow, $29. The Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss, $26. The Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, $16. The Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Eyeliner, $7. So yeah, I would say that for $21, this is a lot. It's like 100 and something. So this is a very good box. I'm gonna look forward to trying this out also. And once I do, I'll let you guys know if I don't forget, how it went. So with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.